Moringa, the tree they couldn't patent. A tree that treats 300 diseases, produces complete protein, grows in the worst soil on Earth, requires almost no water, and cannot be patented by anyone. This tree exists right now. It has existed for 5,000 years, and almost nobody in the Western world has ever been told to grow it. In the royal courts of ancient India, more than 3,000 years ago, Moringa was not considered a plant. It was considered medicine. Soldiers of the Mauryan Empire ate its leaves before battle for strength and endurance. Physicians prescribed every part of it, leaves, pods, seeds, bark, and roots, for hundreds of conditions simultaneously. Ancient Egyptian physicians used moringa oil to protect skin and preserve food in desert heat. Roman soldiers carried it across their entire empire. In every ancient civilization that encountered this tree independently, from India to Africa to the Middle East, the same conclusion was reached by everyone. This tree was sacred. The ancient texts describing moringa's properties read like something impossible. More vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, more potassium than bananas, more iron than spinach, complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, anti-inflammatory compounds that modern science is still working to fully understand and catalog today. And here is what makes moringa truly extraordinary beyond its nutrition. It grows where almost nothing else will. Planted in dry, sandy soil with almost no rainfall, and it thrives completely. Cut it to the ground, and it regrows within weeks. In a survival situation on degraded land, this tree feeds you when nothing else possibly can. The technique of using moringa spread silently across the developing world for centuries. In parts of rural Africa and South Asia, it was simply called the miracle tree. Mothers used it to treat malnutrition in children. Communities used crushed seeds to purify drinking water. Entire villages built their nutritional foundation around a single grove. And then Western medicine arrived, with patents, with proprietary compounds, with a pharmaceutical model built entirely on the idea that only isolated, synthesized, and legally owned molecules could constitute legitimate medicine. A tree that anyone could grow in their backyard and that nobody could own presented a fundamental problem to that entire model. We are not saying anyone sat in a boardroom and decided to suppress moringa. We are simply noting what happened. It disappeared from Western agricultural recommendations entirely. It vanished from nutrition textbooks. It was absent from every government dietary guideline. And communities that knew it best were told their traditional medicine was primitive and unscientific. Now let us talk about what the peer-reviewed science actually shows, because research on moringa is extensive and extraordinary. The leaves contain over 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, and 36 anti-inflammatory compounds. Published studies have examined its effects on blood sugar regulation, inflammation reduction, and cellular oxidative stress. The isothiocyanates in moringa leaves are particularly significant. These compounds have been studied extensively for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to regulate blood sugar levels. They are bioavailable in whole leaf form, meaning your body absorbs them directly from eating the leaves. No extraction, no synthesis, no patent. The protein content deserves special attention. Moringa leaves contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it one of the very few plant sources of complete protein on Earth. Gram for gram dried leaf powder contains more protein than eggs. For anyone building a self-sufficient homestead, This single fact changes everything about food security planning. The water purification property is equally extraordinary and almost completely unknown in the Western world. Crushed moringa seeds release proteins that bind to bacteria and sediment particles in contaminated water, causing them to clump and sink to the bottom. Communities across Africa have used this property for generations to purify drinking water with zero chemicals and zero cost. Here is how to grow one. Moringa is one of the easiest trees on earth to establish from seed. Order seeds from any heirloom seed supplier. Rareseeds.com has them for $3 a packet. Plant seeds directly into well-draining soil in full sun. Water once to establish, then almost nothing. Moringa grows aggressively with minimal intervention. In colder climates, grow moringa as an annual or in a large container you bring indoors for winter. It grows so fast, sometimes 10 feet in a single season, that even as an annual, it produces an extraordinary amount of harvestable leaf material. One plant in a 5-gallon bucket on a sunny balcony produces meaningful nutrition throughout an entire growing season. Harvest by cutting branches back to about a third of the plant's height. New growth emerges within days. The more you harvest, the more it produces. Dry the leaves in a cool, dark place and grind them into powder. Add that powder to smoothies, soup sauces, and anything you cook daily for maximum nutritional benefit throughout the year. 2 tablespoons of moringa powder daily covers a significant portion of your complete nutritional requirements. Vitamin C, calcium, iron, potassium, complete protein, all from a powder you made yourself from a tree in your backyard that costs $3 to start and has been producing for free ever since you planted it in your garden. Here is what one moringa tree represents for your household. A completely free source of complete protein that nobody can tax, regulate, restrict, or take away from you. A nutritional insurance policy growing in your backyard that improves every single year without any input from any corporation anywhere on earth. Ancient medicine in a world where supplement prices rise every year, where food quality declines as processing increases, where the distance between what you eat and what your body actually needs grows wider every decade. A moringa tree in your backyard is not alternative medicine. It is the most rational, nutritional decision you can make for your family today. The pharmaceutical industry spent decades telling us that traditional plant medicine was primitive, that real medicine came in bottles with dosage instructions and patent numbers. But 5,000 years of consistent use across dozens of independent civilizations is a clinical trial of a scale and duration that no pharmaceutical company has ever matched or ever will. They could not patent the tree. They could not own the seeds. They could not charge you for the leaves your own tree produces. And so they did the next best thing. They simply stopped talking about it entirely. Removed it from the conversation. Waited for the knowledge to fade until most people in the developed world had never heard the word moringa spoken in any medical context. The seeds themselves deserve a dedicated moment. Each moringa seed contains enough oil to press into a high-quality cooking and skincare oil that rivals products selling for $40 a bottle in health food stores. The seed cake left after pressing is itself a powerful water purification agent and soil amendment. Every single part of this tree produces something of extraordinary value, completely free. The roots of young moringa plants are edible and taste remarkably similar to horseradish, earning it the name horseradish tree in many parts of the world. The flowers are edible and sweet-tasting, rich in calcium and potassium. The seed pods called drumsticks are a staple vegetable across South Asia, cooked in curries and stews for thousands of years. Nothing is wasted. A single mature moringa tree can produce between 100 and 200 pounds of leaves annually, depending on your climate and harvest frequency. At the nutritional density of moringa leaf powder, that represents an almost incomprehensible amount of nutrition from a single tree that takes up roughly the same space as a large garden umbrella in your backyard garden. Compare that to what you spend annually on vitamin supplements, protein powders, and nutritional products, trying to fill the gaps in a modern processed diet. The average American household spends over $800 per year on dietary supplements alone. A moringa tree costs $3 to start and produces for decades. The climate resilience of moringa is perhaps its most strategically important property for the world we are moving into. It tolerates drought conditions that would kill most food crops. It tolerates poor, degraded soil that supports almost nothing else. It tolerates heat extremes that devastate conventional agriculture. In a changing climate, it is precisely the food security tree, which is exactly why its absence from every mainstream conversation about food security and nutritional health is so striking. Climate scientists discuss food security constantly. Nutritionists discuss supplementation constantly. Agricultural researchers discuss crop resilience constantly. And yet, moringa? We are not telling you what to conclude from that consistent absence. We are simply presenting you with the facts as they exist. A tree with 5,000 years of validated use. Extraordinary peer-reviewed nutritional science. Climate resilience unmatched by conventional crops. Zero patent potential. And complete absence from every mainstream recommendation. Here is your complete action plan for the next 7 days. Day 1. Order moringa seeds online tonight. Day 2 through 6. Prepare a pot or garden bed in full sun. Day 7. Plant your seeds. That is the entire plan. 7 days from now, you will have started something that will feed and nourish your family for the next 20 years completely free. The farmers and physicians and soldiers and mothers who relied on moringa for 5,000 years did not have supplement stores. They did not have pharmaceutical companies with research budgets. They had this tree growing outside their door, and the knowledge of what it could do passed down through generations. That knowledge kept them healthy. It kept their children alive. It was always enough. That knowledge still works today with identical power because the tree has not changed. The leaves still contain the same 92 nutrients. The seeds still purify water through the same mechanism. The roots still grow back after cutting through the same biological resilience. Everything that made this tree a cornerstone of human health for 5,000 years makes it equally extraordinary growing in your backyard today. Click the link in the description right now. Order 1 packet of moringa seeds for $3. Plant it in any pot on your windowsill this week. In 30 days, you will have more nutrition per leaf than anything in your grocery store. 1 click, 1 packet, 1 pot. Start today.